Being a portable shop, I don't have the luxury of having a freestanding drill press. So I have this UJK portable drill press. It's got one big problem though, and that's the chuck key. Having this key with me when I want to change the bit and I'm actually working, moving around. So I can pull it out, I can lay it in the bench and have it there, but I wanted it sort of with me, not attached to the drill, but to the drill press. And so I played around with trying to figure this out, and I came up with tethering it to this, but the problem was it was always swinging around, it was in the way, so that didn't work. And then I fooled around with the thought of maybe drilling a hole to drop it in, but the drill bit's here, or the drill is here, and then maybe in the base, but I just couldn't come up with a good way to do it. I got to thinking, this is metal, and this is metal, and without any modifications, I went into my supply drawer. I've got a whole host of these magnets that I get from FastCap. They're of all different sizes and strengths, and I just put it on there, and there it is. So if I'm working away and it gets in the way, I can roll it around, I can switch it to the other side, I can move it higher or lower, and it's nothing permanent. I love these kind of simple fixes, and it's standing the test of time. I haven't knocked it off or lost it yet. If you found this little tip for the key chuck and things like that helpful, and you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by interacting. Just simply taking a second right now, right there, to hit that thumbs up. And if you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build yourself a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the smart system or the smart wood shop itself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Mahalo.